with all the new filters that we have right here. The possibility to filter the ones that I forecast. I only forecast my finished product. Or I could decide to filter the ones that need to be replenished. So as soon as the cell is green, this means that the product needs to be replenished. Of course, we also have a filter right here, which is the indirect demand, which would be the exact opposite as the to forecast filter, of course. And as soon as we have replenished it, we can decide if we want to, like, for example, I will do it right here for a frame. I will replenish. And in case our demand changes, like, let's imagine I will put right here in my forecast product 120. This means that I forecasted too low, so the colors will change as well, and I will be able to filter on it. Last but not least, we can also see that now the view is much more easy to navigate it, because all the cells that are staying at 0 are in light gray, so they are not disturbing the view. Nothing is blocking me, so I can just trigger my manufacturing right here. If I want to display the actual replenishment, I can do it by clicking right here, and this will show that I have one manufacturing order that needs to start the 1st of December.